WinTax offers a full database with file handling facilities for saving and retrieving all the data you capture in WinTax. There is no limit to the number of calculations and assessments that can be processed, saved and retrieved using WinTax. If we look at the File menu, WinTax allows you to backup and restore data and also to import data from the previous tax year. As well as allowing us to do tax assessments, etc., WinTax also offers options that provide many useful services to financial planners. The Cgt Tax Calculations menu offers useful calculators associated with tax but not affecting our assessment. The RF Advantage tool shows how much of the taxpayer's contributions to retirement funds will be paid by SARS, and the Drawdown Annuity Calculator explains innovative ways of increasing the number of years that a retiree can draw an inflation-linked income from a living annuity. Both these options offer on-screen video tax lectures. The Financial Tools menu offers options on unit trusts, inflation, loans calculators, life of invested capital, offshore versus local investments, etc. Using the actual income tax side of WinTax is similar to completing a tax return form. You can access the various screens for entering personal details, income and deductions, etc. by using the Edit Input option on the normal menu, or by using the icons on the icon toolbar to access the screens. For example, clicking on this icon of the couple in black will open the personal details screen. Clicking on the ink icon will open the income screen. This part of the income screen is where you may enter amounts on IRP5s. The Add button allows you to enter as many IRP5s as needed. The Lump Sum Extra Detail screen is where you enter lump sums, and WinTax caters for lump sums received under different circumstances, including multiple lump sums received. Clicking on this button accesses the part where we can enter bank interest. WinTax caters for taxable and for tax-free interest accounts. The Itemize buttons open a grid with an unlimited number of lines where you can list as many account details as you wish. WinTax makes extensive use of these itemizing grids. WinTax caters for foreign income, applies the taxable amount of foreign dividend earnings, calculates the 6-quart amounts and forfeited amounts, etc. Other income, such as net income from SA dividends, rates income, etc., is catered for. WinTax caters for capital gains tax, and here you can see the button to open the Cgt Calculator. Here you can enter info from a certificate from a fund showing base cost, proceeds, gains or loss from share disposals, etc. Or you can use the calculator to work out the gain on disposals of second properties, other assets, primary residence, etc. The calculator allows you to choose between time apportioned base cost, appraised value or the 80% 20% method. You can add as many business entities as you wish, properties rented out, etc. Losses or ring fencing allowed. The DED icon opens the Deductions and Claims screen. You can enter out-of-pocket medical expenses here, and you can itemize them. You can enter medical aid fund beneficiaries and medical aid fund contributions, and WinTax will calculate the medical tax credits for you. Employed taxpayers will have the retirement fund contributions automatically transferred here from the IRP5 screen, or you can enter the amounts here yourself for self-employed taxpayers. Video lectures will explain exactly how WinTax calculates the allowable deduction claim for retirement fund contributions. The Travel Claim Calculator works out claims for all your cars, whether you received the travel allowance or if you just want to claim travel expenses. You can also enter all other allowable deductions. The company car Fringe benefits screen allows you to calculate the deduction allowed against the fringe benefit levied for having the full use of a company car. The auto summary screen shows all the bottom line amounts that change when you change any of the amounts in the WinTax program, and you can drag this screen anywhere you like. The Provisional Tax Estimate screen allows you to do provisional tax estimates for all periods on the same page on the screen. The MTC calculator automatically calculates the medical tax credits for you for use in the provisional tax estimate. WinTax offers a variety of reports that can be viewed on the screen, printed to the printer, or exported to a word processor, for example, for editing before printing or attaching to an email. The EMP10 option allows the user to check pay-as-you-earn, UIF, SDL and tax credits on payslips for taxpayers paid daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, etc. Partial periods and bonus payments are all catered for.